Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So I have ordered some of the Nykaa products which I'm going to share. One I have already opened this box because I really wanted to see क्या होता है. Hi, my name is Priyanka and see what I have ordered from my Nykaa from this pink sale. Hi, my name is Priyanka and see what I have ordered from Nykaa from this pink sale, and I can't wait to share you guys. So some of the products are reordered and some of the products are the new which I'm going to try and give you the review. So let's open with you. So first I have already opened this box because I was not able to wait. In this box I have received this Ojiva collagen, because I have seen like when you are becoming older you really need some vitamins in your life and daily lifestyle, because we right now like we don't eat healthy. So I have added this collagen, and on the box I have like, oh okay, leave it. So this box is going to open from here and see what I have all received. So let's try the first item, and that is the tiniest item of this haul and the most, I would say, the cheapest product of this haul, which is this Bronson professional brush, because I wanted to have this. I do not have any brush to apply like mask or to apply any face pack, so I have ordered. So let's open it. Comes like this soft brush. Wow, I can't wait to apply mask now. So the second item is this Raga Detan cream, because since I got married I have been traveling to different cities for the trips and for the like my friend's wedding. So now my skin has become so tan, so I ordered for myself at home only. So I'm going to use this Raga D10 and buy that brush and see how it is going to work, because I have heard that the Raga is a very good brand for the detan, because I have already used O3 and I did not like that much. So first item is this, and I got it in a very reasonable rate. So the MRP of this product is 1375 and I got it in like 1100, which is a good deal. So very good price for this. So the third item is this my favorite product, which is this Garnier micellar cleansing water. So I've not been using this product ever in my life. So since I got married I started using like doing makeups whenever I'm wearing sarees and suit and I go out. So then I used to like take off my makeup by using this water, and I definitely going to say that it is going to remove your makeup so easily, and it is not going to itching you on your eyes also. So this product is my favorite product for the makeup removal. I cannot live without this makeup because it really helps when you want to take off your makeup so easily. And if you want to like take off your mascara and kajal, it's really help. And the price of this product is 449, but I got it in 230, so it's also a very good deal. The ordinary salicylic serum and the ordinary niacinamide serum. So I have used this serum for last 3-4 years. Me and my husband, we both use this serum only, because I think for him also this serum suits on him. I have given him the snail serum also, but it does not like suit to every skin. So this serum cost always 700 or 600. Let me check, like 600 rupees always. And the ordinary never gives the like discount on Nykaa, but on this pink sale, so there was a good offer that if you buy one you will get second one on a lesser price. So I got this both serum only of like 800 rupees. So from 1200 to 800 is also a very good deal. And the other item is this Plixie blush. I think this is my one of the like creamy best blush I have ever seen, because I have seen like powdery and watery I have already used, but this is my favorite blush. Like let me apply. Fair skin toner, it looks so beautiful. favorite. Oh my god, मेरा फेस ही स्ट्रॉबेरी बन गया यार, पर चलो कोई नहीं, इट्स ओके. जितना स्ट्रॉबेरी होगा इतना क्यूट दिखेगा. सो दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव गॉट वेरी गुड डील. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द प्राइस. आई थिंक आई गॉट इट अराउंड like 1200. I don't know. I will mention. So let's move to the other product, which is this L'Oreal L'Oreal Gyloc Kick Bright. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or not. Let it be. So this is a Gylokic Bright serum, which is used for your eye serum. See, as you can see that I having some dark circle because my sleep cycle right now is very bad. I'm not able to take the proper sleep. So I have ordered this. So this is I'm going to try for the first time. Before that I was using Estee Lauder eye cream. So I thought of giving this try because I already having Estee Lauder cream, but I thought like I should try this also. So this come with a very cute pump and you can just apply like this. Very good thing about this product is I like this thing because you can easily apply on your eyes and you don't have to use your hands, because the lesser the hand you use on your skin, you will get lesser pimple. See, I have seen that. And now the last product of this haul, which is this Beauty of Joseon. So this is Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. So this is a Korean brand. I love Korean brands. I don't know why. I think I really want to visit to Korea just only for the skincare products, not makeup, but for the skincare. I really like good skin, like that skin which you don't have to apply anything and your like skin always flawny glow. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. I think I'm getting over excited now, so मेरी tongue twist हो रही है. So this is like this. I think the quantity is good, and I have got this also to apply the mask, and now I have the brush also, so I can use it in a brush. So this mask I have ordered purposely because I am having pores on my skin and nearby to my nose area. So whenever I have to do like scrubbing every week or twice in a week. But I really wanted to apply any mask. I really wanted to give a try to apply mask. So now I have ordered this, and I'm going to definitely review. Oh my god, this smells so good. You know, it smelling like a cupcake or a pastry. Wow, it's so fresh. Nice. I'm so excited to apply this mask. So इस पूरे हॉल में सबसे अच्छा मुझे यही लगा. So that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.